Let me start with a weird realization I had recently. AI is incredibly smart and also kind of useless sometimes. I mean, it can explain quantum physics, but ask it to follow a 10-step process, it suddenly becomes creative. Think about this. You ask AI to generate a proper financial report, and instead of following steps, it just vibes its way through it. It's like hiring an intern who says, "Yeah, yeah, I got the idea, I'll freestyle it." And you are like, "No, please don't freestyle compliance." Now, here is the interesting part. Humans don't just have knowledge, we have different types of memory, facts, experiences, and skills. Knowing that Rome is the capital of Italy is very different from knowing how to ride a scooter in Rome. And AI today, it's great at facts, okay, at remembering conversations, but skills, almost none. So, how do we fix this? Here is the crazy part. A skill is just a file. Yeah, no PhD, not a neural network retraining, just a file. At the top of this file, we have a name and a description. Sounds boring, but this is actually genius. The description tells the AI when to use the skill. It's like labeling a drawer. Open this only if you are looking for snacks. Without that, AI just opens every drawer. And then comes the main part, the instructions. Step 1, step 2, step 3, literally written in plain English. No coding, no magic. You are just explaining things properly, which, by the way, is harder than coding. Now, if you want to upgrade your AI, you can give it tools, scripts, references, assets. This is basically like giving your intern a laptop, Google Access, and a template. Suddenly, they are dangerous. But then we hit a problem. What if you install 100 skills? Now the AI is like, cool, I'll just load everything. And immediately, boom, memory overload. It hasn't even started working and it's already tired. So the solution is something called progressive disclosure, which is a fancy way of saying don't load everything at once. First, just the names, then only the relevant instructions, and only when needed, load the heavy stuff. It's like how we use our brain, not everything all the time. Now, you might be thinking, wait, don't we already have ways to improve AI? Yes, RAG gives knowledge, MCP gives tools, fine tuning rewires the brain. But skills, they teach how to actually do the job. And here is why this is exciting. This is not owned by one company. You build a skill once and use it anywhere. No lock-in. This is like the PDF format, but for AI skills. Now, quick reality check. These skills can run code, which means they can also do bad things. So if you download a random skill from the internet, that's basically installing software from a stranger. Don't do that blindly. So let's bring this all together. AI today knows a lot, but doesn't always do a lot. Skills change that. They give AI something it has been missing, procedural memory. And that's the difference between a chatbot and a worker. Now imagine what happens when every workflow in your company becomes a skill. That's when AI stops being impressive and starts being useful. So if you like this video and want more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.